Manipur continued to witness a surge in COVID-19 cases, with total confirmed cases at 2,286. The cumulative active cases is 727, while recovered persons have been increased to 1,559. Meantime, the Regional Institute of Medical Sciences in Imphal have been temporarily closed till July 29 as a precautionary measures following reports of 6 patients at the hospital testing positive for COVID-19. With 51 more detected on Monday, Manipur continued to witness a spike in COVID-19 cases, taking the state total confirmed cases to 2,286. The cumulative active cases are 727 and recovered persons have increased to 1,559. At least 24 people, 18 from Thoubal district, 4 from Imphal East and 1 each from Churachandpur and Imphal West districts, with no immediate travel history, tested positive for the coronavirus. Of the 51 new cases, 19 are from Thoubal, 14 from Kangpokpi, 9 from Imphal East, 7 from Imphal West and 2 from Churachandpur districts. Meanwhile, the recovery rate in the state has increased to 68.19%, with 38 more patients recovered. According to Dr. Mangan, the staffer at the Chief Minister's Secretariat who had tested positive on Saturday was retested and found negative on the RT-PCR test. The staffer at the CM's Secretariat had a travel history of contact with a positive case during his visit to Senapati District Hospital, he said. Also, around 21 media persons who have attended a press conference at CM's Secretariat on July 22nd were also tested and found COVID-19 negative, as per sources.
We have come here to get ourselves tested because recently some of our journalist colleagues, including me, we have attended a press conference at the CM's bungalow. Later it was found out that one of the staff of the CM tested positive. So we are also required to undergo tests. We have never come across this kind of things. So we should be extra careful in everything that we do, especially the frontline workers, including the journalists who are still actively involved in.
While the Regional Institute of Medical Sciences in Imphal have been temporarily closed till July 29 as a precautionary measure following the reports of 6 patients at the hospital testing positive for COVID-19 on Sunday. The patient who tested positive were undergoing treatment in the Derma Nephro wards of Dreams Hospital. However, services at Flu Clinic near the isolation ward and laboratory of the VRDL and MDRU of Dreams Hospital will continue to function as usual. Meanwhile, epidemiological investigation and contact tracing inside the Jennings Hospital of Imphal have been initiated by the Community Medicine Department. Bureau Report.